go into field maps. Make sure we've got our position. And start to capture a point here. So select my curve points and hit 3 dots, hit offset. And log control point 1. This is going to be our backside point. So I'm going to go over to this like 5th line down. Go ahead and follow me. 1, 2, 4, 5. And I need to shoot back to this with the laser. So it would be good to use a cone or a flag if you're in dirt or something like that where you can mark this position. And hit start. All I'm doing here is just grabbing a GNSS position. That's it. I'm not shooting anything with the laser, nothing. I'm just marking this spot. So now log GNSS control point, step 2. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the 5th one down. So let's move back. Again, same rule applies. We want to do about 20 feet. So let's do something like this. Somewhere where I can see all of my features that I want to capture too. So in this case, this curve, I want to see all of these. I want to bubble up once I get to pick my spot. And then I want to log this point. Next, and now we're doing our angle calibration. So this is where we're shooting from this spot back to our first control point, and that will align our azimuth reading. So this turn angle will kind of know where north is after I shoot this position. And we're actually not shooting any distances. This is just an angle, but to make it easy, you can hit the fire button and it'll capture the angle and feed it into EOS Tools Pro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one. All right, so I'm aiming right at the end of that line. Shot it. The value's populated in there. Hit next, and now it's asking me to fire at the target. So now I can fire at the target. I can send it to collector and then capture a new point. It'll put me right back in this screen, so I don't have to do the rest of that setup again. I can just start shooting points. So I'm just going to start at the end of that curve there. Okay, hit send. And hit submit. And I've already got a point there, but you'll start seeing me draw this in. Hit the plus again. Curve point, offset. Went back to that same screen, so I don't have to do any of the setup. Just shoot that curve again. There we go. You can see that point populated right in the center there. Submit it and just continue this process, and I can just map out this entire curve.